If you need to replace an electronic module in your vehicle, here are 3 reasons it's smart to purchase your rebuilt module from MAKS. The first is that we've spent millions of dollars perfecting the craft of taking a used module and making it like new once again. And if you'd like to learn more about our rebuild process, you can check out our website. But suffice it to say, our extremely thorough process and proprietary testing equipment means the rebuilt module you receive will function and endure identically to a brand new module that might cost twice as much. The second reason is we make the purchase experience as easy as possible. We can program your new module to your vehicle before we ship it to you. We have a wider selection of modules than anyone else. We offer free, fast shipping throughout the US. And we're never going to charge you upfront to send us your current module. We honestly want to make every part of the process as stress-free as possible. And the third reason is we have the best customer service in the industry. Diagnosing and replacing an automotive module can be frustrating, so we go above and beyond to answer any questions you have and troubleshoot issues you're seeing. Our team prides themselves in being technical experts in the modules that we work on, while recognizing that not everyone is. We'll be patient and listen to all your questions and try and help you in every way that we possibly can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for choosing MAKS.